Fix a missing api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll in Windows. If you try to run a program and receive an error stating that the api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer, you can use this guide to restore the missing DLL so that your program works again. When programs are created, they are linked to dynamic linked libraries, DLLs, that contains code that the program needs to properly work. If a required DLL is missing, then Windows will display an alert telling you the name of the missing DLL so that you can try and resolve the problem. If you run a program and receive the following error about api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll being missing, you need to install the Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable package using the instructions below. The program can't start because api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. Go to the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable page from Microsoft and click on the Download button. You will be brought to a page where it asks you to select whether you want to download the 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. Select the version you need and click the Next button. If you are unsure what version you need, you can use this tutorial to determine what you need. The file will now download to your computer. Once downloaded, double-click on the downloaded VC Redist x64.x file. The Microsoft Visual C++ -2015 Redistributable screen will be displayed and ask you to agree to the license terms and conditions. Put a checkmark in the I agree box and then click on the Install button. If Windows prompts you to allow the program to make changes or continue, click on the Yes or Allow button. If you already had the DLL installed and it is still showing as missing, you can download the above redistributable, but this time perform a repair. With the release of the Windows 10 May 2019 update, Microsoft introduced a new security feature called Tamper Protection that protects security settings for Windows Defender antivirus from being disabled by malware or third-party programs. Windows Defender allows you to perform a custom scan that lets you specify the specific folder or drive you would like to scan for malware. As you only need to scan that one folder, the scan time will be much quicker than scanning an entire machine. If you start a program and receive an error that Windows is unable to find the VC runtime 140.dll or that it is missing, you can use this tutorial to restore the missing DLL so that your program works again. Windows 7 hides certain files so that they are not able to be seen when you exploring the files on your computer. The files it hides are typically Windows 7 system files that, if tampered with, could cause problems with the proper operation of the computer. It is possible, though, for a user or piece of software to make a file hidden by enabling the hidden attribute in a particular file or Windows Safe Mode is a way of booting up your Windows operating system in order to run administrative and diagnostic tasks on your installation. When you boot into Safe Mode, the operating system only loads the bare minimum of software that is required for the operating system to work. This mode of operating is designed to let you troubleshoot and run diagnostics on your computer. Windows Safe Mode. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source: bleepingcomputer.com.